Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to do forget network in your Android TV. Here I have Android TV of MI4A Pro. Okay, to forget the Wi-Fi network, what you have to do? Just go to the settings of your TV first. Then go to additional settings. Go to additional settings and click on network and internet there, and here turn on Wi-Fi, and available Wi-Fi will be showing here. Okay, mobile hotspot is surrounding your TV, and other Wi-Fi signals, other Wi-Fi modems will be scanned and is showing here. Okay, here my TV is already connected to IQOO Z9 Lite mobile hotspot, and also one more Thurai 5G Wi-Fi is available. Okay, so to forget one signal, just click on that signal and then go to forget network available at the last. Okay, just click on it and click on OK, so that your TV will forget that network if it is connected via password or without password. Okay, so if you would like to connect to that signal again, you have to give the password if it is protected. Okay, otherwise if you don't do forget password, what will happen? Only once you need to enter the password if it is protected. Okay, see, this is not protected Wi-Fi, that is mobile hotspot. Okay, so whatever may be, to forget when a particular network, you have to select that network, and then you go to see, you have to select the network, then go to forget network there. Okay, that's all. Okay, so in this way you can easily do forgetting a particular network, one or more network from your TV. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.